In this video, I'm going to take you on a tour around the Bilnur Apartments in İçmeler. As some of you know, last year we stayed here, we holidayed here for 11 nights and we stayed in the new block, and I did a room tour of a room in the new block. However, this year we have stayed in the old block, and I wanted to do another video just to show you a few little differences as well. Also, last year we came with TUI holidays, and this year now the Bilnur Apartments in İçmeler are with Jet2 holidays. So as you enter, you come into a spacious bar area with lots of seating. You've got the reception area here, and then next to it, a well-stocked bar. At the end of the bar area, you have the free pool table and the children's playground. Now we'll head to the apartment that we're filming in today, and this is in this block here. So as you come in, you've got a really big spacious lounge area to the left. To the right, you've got a one bedroom here. This one here has two single beds, which I'll show you in a moment. And then straight across from the door, that's where your bathroom is. So this is the lounge area as you come in. It is slightly different as there's two single beds in here. You've also got a lot of natural light coming in through the balcony doors. It is a really decent size room is this one. I'll just show you around, because then you've got the kitchenette area here. You've got all this floor space as well. It's a really decent sized apartment is this. So let's just have a look what's in the kitchen area. So you've got, again, a hot plate. You've got a toaster, you've got a kettle, all really clean. You've got an under-counter fridge here. You've got some under-counter cupboards here with a bin, a really big, decent-sized cupboard area here. Then you've got some drawers with all your utensils in. Really well equipped for self-catering. Absolutely brilliant. All immaculately clean as well. You've also got a decent size worktop area here and sink, and above, again, loads of room, ample room, all your plates, side plates, bowls, pots and pans up there. And then in this one, cups, glasses, loads of cups. So it is really well equipped for a family of four here. So we'll head out now to the balcony, which is joined from the lounge. This balcony is huge. So you've got your table, your four chairs. It's absolutely massive. It's really big. The whole apartment is immaculately clean. Look at the attention to detail from the cleaners on the beds. It's just little things like that that really do make you smile. Also, in the lounge area, you've got a big TV as well. So we'll now go into the bedroom from the lounge area. Again, loads of natural light. You've got a Juliet balcony over there as well, which I will show you, which overlooks the pool. So in the bedroom area, you've got the air conditioning unit, you've got a wardrobe, a chest of drawers, you've got some nighttime lighting as well over the bed. We'll head to the Juliet balcony, which overlooks the pool, and again, so much natural light coming in and a bit of sunshine as well during the day. So over the top of the chest of drawers, you do have a mirror here, and again, a light for when you're getting ready on a night time. Again, you can store your cases over your wardrobe, get them out of the way. It's a brilliant room, absolutely brilliant, and a great size as well. Now we'll head into the bathroom. As you come in, you've got a toilet, you've got a shower cubicle here, which is brilliant. That is a rainfall shower here. And then if you want to obviously have a handheld one as well, you can. Absolutely brilliant. Then you've got here a really modern sink. It's just so clean everywhere. And then to the side, you've got the hairdryer and the mirror. So this room is on the second floor, so we'll go out, I'll show you whereabouts it's actually positioned from outside as well. So these are the rooms from outside. What we've just been in there is that one up there. And then we're back to the park area and the bar area here. And we'll walk round now back to the pool area. These are the Juliet balconies from the other side that overlook the pool. And this is the view that you would get, and it's currently set up around a pool now for barbecue night. I really hope you've enjoyed watching this video on a tour of the Bilnur Apartments in İçmeler. If you want to see what the new rooms look like, go back and check our vlog from last year as well. Thank you very much for watching.